This is a quick tutorial on how to operate the diesel heater inside our van Durango. The top left corner, you can see that's the ambient air temperature that's being read by the heater. The top right corner, that's the Alpine symbol, which shows that we're in the high altitude mode. Being in Colorado Springs and above, you're going to want to keep that on. You can see our power at 13 volts and then a diagram of the heater itself, which various things will illuminate when you turn it on. So first things first, you're going to hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. You'll see it kind of kick on here. It'll take about a minute before it actually ignites the heater and begins blowing warm air. You can change the settings for either a climate control to set an actual temperature in Celsius, or manual mode, which will set the heat 6 different settings between low and high. To do that, you're just going to hold down the setting symbol over here. You'll see it turns into the H1. You'll see as you increase it, this is manual mode, it gets warmer and warmer. To return back to auto mode, you will hold the settings button again for about 2 seconds. And here you can set the temperature to whatever you desire. So in this case, it's reading 29 degrees Celsius. We'll set the heater to 31. And once it ignites, it'll begin heating to set the temperature to 31 degrees. You can see the flashing fuel pump symbol in the bottom left, and it's now steady. That means it is ignited, and it's now beginning to blow warm air. If you ever for any reason need to turn off the Alpine mode, you're going to hold down these 2 buttons and it'll be gone. That's for your lower altitudes where you need a little bit different fuel metering, but for our case at our altitude, we'll keep that on. And that's it. And as it begins to heat, you can alternate between auto and manual mode. And then to turn it off, again, hold down the power button. And then it'll take a couple minutes to wind down the fan, but it is off.